J-Tover.
I want to thank God for opportunity.
Oh, I missed that. I missed it.
Wealth and health. My daddy named Gucci, he the Gucci man. Honestly, he turned me on to the ice game. He fed the fam with 3 tops, that's the con game. But fuck you, who are you? You ain't God, man. I fell out with my right hand man, he tried to top on me. I guess it's clear we ain't homies like I think we homies. I'm at the top and I swear to God it's really lonely. But I'm not coming down, I'm stooping down, I keep it moving. These young niggas got no respect who make music. Broke ass nigga never can get used to it. And the bottom of some belly don't do it like the top do it. Golden Chris, we hear AKs more than church music. Wow. Horse on the car with the top off. Driving Gucci Charger with no problem. Headshot dead in the bushes with his head off. Big cut off, double slit block, knocked off. Decapitated. 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 Bang. Bang down. Decapitated. Scoochie. I know Africans that cut off legs. Jamaicans that cut off heads. These millionaires still in the feds. You in the county and you can't get out of jail? Damn, that's so sad. That's so bad. You played out. JJ bad. Malta.